So the first thing I'm going to have you look at in this folder is the Stages of Development PDF. And in this PDF, it just shows a bunch of different indicators of where and why a student may lie on the literacy continuum. And so I encourage you to look at that, thinking about what we just previously talked about in the first video, that you will probably get a classroom full of students at all different levels in literacy. So look at those indicators, and I encourage you to think about what level you're teaching and where you think your students may lie. But then I also encourage you to look at the indicators above and below, because you will probably get um, that as well in your classroom. So that's the first PDF, and then we're going to go into a strategy in order to teach to all learners, because when you have a classroom of all different levels, it's important to do your best to reach all of them. And one strategy we can use when reading in your subject area is class discussions. So you are going to read in the textbook this week about the importance of having discussions, but then you're also going to read a PDF about interactive read alouds. And this PDF, written by Shelby Barentine, was the chair on my dissertation committee, and she was a really big support system when I was publishing my first book that includes interactive read alouds. So she's a great person. She knows a lot about this. Interactive read alouds are something that are used often, especially in the elementary school. So again, you'll read the textbook related to text discussions, and then one specific strategy related to those discussions is called an interactive read aloud. So go ahead and read those two, and then we'll talk about how this part, this subject or this idea relates to your assignment.